Hello friends, my name is Pratik and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video, we are going to see that if you are using Kotak Bank application for all your transaction and if you want to transfer an amount from your account to another bank account using bank account details like account number and IFSC code, then what are the steps involved in that I'm going to explain. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and without wasting any time, let's start the video. To transfer money from Kotak Bank application using bank details, you have to open the application first. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to check out on your mobile screen. So on the top, you can check out your account balance. You have multiple quick access. It might be different in your mobile as per your selection, or whichever feature you use more, that will be in quick access section. So if I want to transfer an amount, I just have to scroll down, and in pay and transfer, you have an option of money transfer or one-time transfer. So you can select this both option and it will land you in the same page. So after selecting money transfer, it will ask me to enter 6-digit MPIN. So I will do that. After entering the MPIN, we are on the next page, and on next page, you have to select send money option over here. Once you click on send money, you can see you get multiple options over here, and you have to once again click on one-time transfer option, which was same on the home screen. So it will land you on the same page. It will be the page. So in this one, you have to select account number, and the second option is UPI and repeat transaction. So repeat transaction is for those people who have already transferred an amount to a particular account. You can select repeat transaction to do the same transaction once again. But we are going to select account number. After selecting account number, we are on the next page, and on this page, you have to select bank. You have to enter account number twice. At the end, you have to enter amount, and if you want to add any message in transaction, you have to write that in remark section. So I will enter all the details very quickly. So now you can check out, I have entered all the details. I have selected the bank, I have entered the IFSC code, I have entered the account number, I have reconfirmed the account number. After scrolling down, I have selected the account type, I have entered the beneficiary name, I have entered the amount, and in remark section, I have entered test because I am doing this for testing purpose. So after entering all the details, all you have to do is you have to click on continue. On the next page, it will ask you to select the payment type. So it can be IMPS, NEFT, or it can be a scheduled payment. So all you have to do is you have to select IMPS if you want immediate transfer. So it is already selected. You have to click on continue. And on the next page, you can check out your account details over here, and you can check the person's detail to whom you're transferring the amount. So you can check out his name, his account number, bank, bank type, amount, and also you can check out in remark, I have written test. So once you confirm each and everything, all you have to do is confirm and pay. So now to complete the transaction, you have to enter 6-digit MPIN. So I will do that very quickly. After entering the PIN, it is taking some time to process the payment. So once the payment is successful, you will get a message like payment successful over here. So you can share it. You can check out the reference number. You can check the date and time. You can check the amount and the beneficiary details to whom you have transferred the amount. So these are the simple steps you have to follow if you want to send money using bank details in Kotak Bank application. That's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.